To fix Cash App not verifying your identity, start by ensuring you have a stable internet connection and the latest version of the Cash App installed on your device. Next, verify that you are using a valid government-issued ID, such as a driver's license, state ID, or passport, and that the name on your ID matches the name on your Cash App account. If you have confirmed these details, try restarting the verification process by going to the Cash App home screen, tapping on the profile icon, and selecting Verify My Identity. Follow the prompts to upload a clear photo of your ID and a selfie, making sure the images are not blurry or distorted. If the issue persists, check that your ID is not expired and that you have not exceeded the daily verification attempt limit. You can also try verifying your identity using a different type of ID or contacting Cash App support for assistance. It is also important to note that Cash App may request additional information, such as your social security number or date of birth, to complete the verification process. Be prepared to provide this information to ensure a successful verification. To avoid issues with identity verification, make sure to use a valid and up-to-date ID, and double-check that all information provided matches the details on your ID. Additionally, be cautious of scams and phishing attempts, and never provide sensitive information to unknown or unverified sources. By following these steps and best practices, you should be able to resolve the issue of Cash App not verifying your identity and enjoy a seamless and secure experience with the app. If you continue to encounter problems, do not hesitate to reach out to Cash App support for further assistance.